There's something truly special about homemade jam. It evokes a sense of warmth and comfort. It's like bottling sunshine in a jar. The aroma of fruit simmering on the stove fills the house. It's pure enchantment. Opening a jar of homemade jam is a delight. It brings back memories of cozy kitchens. The taste is always fresh and vibrant. It's a world away from store-bought jams. This spiced apple jam is a treat for the senses. It's perfect for a chilly evening. The apples provide a sweet and tart base. The spices add warmth and complexity. Here's what you'll need. 1 kilogram of apples, peeled, cored, and chopped. 500 grams of granulated sugar, 120 milliliters of water, 1 cinnamon stick, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Making this jam is easier than you think. Let's get started. Combine the apples, sugar, water, cinnamon stick, cloves, and nutmeg in a large pot. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the apples are softened. Increase the heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Cook, stirring constantly until the jam thickens. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. To test if the jam is set, spoon a small amount onto a chilled plate. If it sets quickly and doesn't run, it's ready. If not, continue cooking for a few more minutes. Spices add an enchanting touch to this apple jam. Cinnamon brings warmth and a comforting aroma. Cloves add a hint of sweetness and depth. Nutmeg provides a subtle, nutty flavor. Together, they create a symphony of flavors that is simply irresistible.